Good evening. We have four stages of life from birth to death as our ancestors decided and determined. And duration of these four stages just each one of 25 years, and it is named with a particular word from 1 to 25 and 26 to 50 and 51 to 75 and 76 to last 100. Mostly nowadays 30% or 40% people are completing their 100 years. Otherwise, average age of our human beings remaining 60 to 65 years, male and female both combiningly. So these four stages, as decided and determined by our ancestors, named in Hindi it is Balyavastha, Yavnavastha, Vanprastha, and at last Sannyas, gradually Sannyas ashram. And main point here what I decided to explain it is, at starting we are favorite, lovable to most of our relatives, our kings. By and by, at the peak point, we are assumed, considered as useful to others. But after 50 years, this age is very lamentable, distressed, as most of the human beings, most of the people in our society, they consider this age to be not good, dependent on others. And at last, the 25 years remaining, it is very, very just pitiable, just main character, dependent on most of the people. Nobody is respecting. But the philosophy says here, when nobody is respecting you, nobody is caring you, you are abandoned in the society, uncared by anyone, even your close relatives, whomever you have given your most precious time, your precious amount, even they have abandoned and not caring you properly, not looking after properly as it is assumed, as it is expected. In that case, Almighty God, one who is conducting the whole universe, giving the most care to you. So never expect, never think that you are abandoned by the society. You are the most lovable person, lovable character in the eyes of Almighty God, omniscient, omnipotent God. So have great faith in Him. He will do the best for you, and He had done the best for everyone. He looked very well to all of us. Thank you for listening and watching me. Welcome.